So the origin of the life. Okay, so how did this life came into existence on the earth's surface, actually, that we are going to discuss. Okay, and this origin of the life is actually the last phase of the evolution of the earth. Okay, means after the evolution of the lithosphere, after the evolution of the atmosphere and the hydrosphere, the life came into existence. Okay, so it is undoubtedly clear that initially the earth or even the atmosphere of the earth was not conducive for the development of life. Okay, so after the formation of the earth, okay, or after the evolution of the atmosphere, okay, the earth was not suitable. Okay, the condition in the earth was not suitable for the development of life. Okay, so modern scientists, they refer to the origin of life as a kind of chemical reactions. So the modern scientists, they consider that life came into existence on the earth as a result of chemical reactions. That means we human beings, the other living components on the earth, is an outcome of chemical reactions actually. Okay, that means the life, it came into existence just because of chemical reactions. Okay, so this chemical reaction first generated complex organic molecules and assembled them. Okay. So because of this chemical reactions, okay, organic molecules were formed and they got assembled together. Okay. And this assemblage was such that they could duplicate themselves, converting intimate matter into the living substance. Okay. And this assemblage was in such a way that they could duplicate themselves. Okay, means the same type can be formed. Okay, converted actually. Okay, and ultimately which got converted into a living substance actually. The record of life that existed on the planet in different periods is found in the form of the fossils. Okay, so basically we are having the record of the life. Okay, how did we came to know that the life existed on the earth? Through the fossils. Okay, how did we came to know that the dinosaurs used to exist actually? Because the fossil remains of these dinosaurs has been found in different parts of the world. Okay, even in Ceylon. Okay, even in Meghalaya, in the state of Meghalaya, the remains of dinosaurs has been found. Okay, so from the fossil remains, okay, of this dead remains of these animals and all, and the living components and all, we can say that life existed actually. Okay, and by knowing, we try to through the radiometric activity, we try to find out the age, okay, of their of these fossils actually. So the microscopic structure closely relates to the present form of blue algae have been found in geological formation much older than 3000 million years. Okay, and in some of the rock structure, in some of the rocks of the world actually. Okay, when we observe through the microscope actually, okay, the microscopic structure, it closely says that some type of blue algae formation was there, okay, in these rocks. Okay, around 3000 million years ago. So it is believed that life came to existence through this algae only, because the algae are also considered as a living component actually. Okay, so it can be assumed that life began to evolve sometime 3800 million years ago. Okay, so it is assumed that life began to evolve around 3800 million years ago actually. Okay, so there is a very like long history about the formation, about the origin of life actually. Okay, which is best explained, okay, through science. The summary of evolution of life from unicellular bacteria to the modern man is given in the geological time scale actually. Okay, so basically in page number 18, that how did this algae, okay, unicellular bacteria, it got evolved in different time periods and it led to the formation of the modern human beings. Okay, so basically let us see this timetable actually. Okay, so here you can see basically this timetable. Okay, it shows us the different time periods actually. Okay, these are the different time periods and these are the name of the different geographical geological periods actually. Okay, so like in history we say the ancient period, medieval period and the modern period. So in the same way in geography also, the geographical time periods has been divided into different eras and eons actually. Okay, so basically the quaternary, tertiary, Jurassic, Carboniferous, Devonian, different time periods are there actually. Okay, and like life came into existence. So here you can see origin of the universe took place around 5000 million years ago. Okay, so first around 2500 to 3800 million years ago, the blue green algae, which was a unicellular bacteria, it came into existence. Okay, Then after this blue-green algae, okay, the marine invertebrate animals came into existence. That is, the first fish came into existence around 438 to 505 million years ago. Okay, then 360 to 408 million years ago, the amphibians, they came into existence. Then around 286 to 360 million years ago, the reptiles came into existence. Okay, that is okay. And then 208 to 245 million years ago, the frogs and the turtles, they came into existence. And around 144 to 200 million years ago, the dinosaurs came into existence. Okay. And these dinosaurs, they got extincted during the Cretaceous period, during the Mesozoic period. Okay. Around 65 million to 144 million years ago. Okay. So at that period of time, during the Mesozoic period, when the dinosaurs, it got extincted actually. After that, during the Paleocene period, okay, like 57 to 65 million years ago, the small mammals like the rats, mice, and all, it came into existence. Okay, then 37 to 58 million years ago, the rabbits and the hare came into existence. Okay, then 24 to 37 million years ago, the anthropoid ape came into existence. Then 5 to 24 million years ago, the flowering plants and the trees came into existence. And then around 2 to 5 million years ago, the early human ancestors came into existence. Okay, and around 10,000 to 2 million years ago, actually. Okay, like the Homo sapiens or the modern man came into existence. Okay, so this chart basically shows about the different geological time period, and in this different geological time periods, how did this unicellular bacteria, that is the algae, okay, it led to the formation. It led to the formation of the living component on this earth. Okay, and the life got on evolving actually. Okay, so you can see here that the frogs, the rats, the mice, the rabbits, the fishes, and all, they are much older than the human beings. Okay, so human beings are the newly created creatures on this earth. Okay, and even the formation of these different types of life still exist. Okay, different types of new life forms are still being formed on this earth surface actually, which we are not able to observe, but the process is still going on. Okay, so the process of evolution of this life on the earth surface is a continuous process, and it is still going on actually. Okay, so this is what about the origin of life on the earth, and this paragraph basically explains that how life came into existence, okay, on the earth surface and how it got evolved.